HGDO M106 4CH mirror dash cam is a state-of-the-art driving recorder that redefines safety, convenience, and visual clarity. With advanced features such as 4K Ultra HD video recording, ADAS advanced driver assistance systems, BS blind spot detection, and a 24-hour parking monitor, this device is a comprehensive solution for all your driving and security needs. The M106 offers 4K Ultra HD resolution 3840x2160 for the front camera, ensuring crystal clear and vibrant visuals. Its high-sensitivity sensor optimizes performance in diverse lighting conditions, capturing vivid, lifelike images and videos. With 1080 resolution for the side and rear cameras, the device guarantees comprehensive coverage and exceptional clarity across all angles. This dashcam features rotatable lenses and wide-angle capabilities for all 4 channels: front, rear, left, and right. The 170 HD wide-angle lenses provide a panoramic view, capturing critical evidence from every direction to enhance safety and security during your drives. The smart rear-view angle switch makes parking effortless. During real-time driving, it provides a clear, wide-angle view of the rear, while automatically lowering the angle for precise and close-up images when reversing. The 24-hour parking monitor, powered by a hardwire connection, detects motion and impacts, ensuring your car is always protected. The time-lapse feature records continuous video over extended periods, conserving storage and offering a quick playback option. Loop recording ensures uninterrupted footage, overwriting old files when the memory card is full. Coupled with a G-sensor, it locks crucial video files during collisions for secure evidence retention. The M106 integrates seamlessly into your vehicle as a rear-view mirror, eliminating the need for separate installations. Its user-friendly interface includes a swipe feature to switch between front and rear cameras, adjust viewing angles, and access recorded videos directly on the 11.26-inch touchscreen.